Our 1967 Impala here. Been working on it, doing the interior. Had everything out inside of it. Had her upholstery redone. Just got it back. Been trying to get everything back together. Took the interior all the way down. 415 floor pans. They're in pretty good shape. Had a couple little pinholes over here. Took a little Duraglass over top of them there. And getting ready to put the carpet here down in it. Have already had our dash completely apart, and we painted it and clear coated it, buffed everything out, got our steering wheel all done. Those are the original panels, door panels there, back panels, back seats, all the upholstery's been redone. That is the original cloth that was originally put out in the car. Put new seals in. So we'll get our carpet in there, get our seat in there, and see what it looks like after that. Had our headliner in there. Take the air dryer to that and kind of heat that up to get the wrinkles out of it yet. And got our back tray pack in it. All that good looking stuff. So it's coming along nicely. Last thing is put our carpet in and start tucking it up. That's our 1967 project, our Impala. Rolling in the 67, 60 mile an hour down 52. Have the underneath side of the 67 Chevy Impala. Drove it here from Greenfield to Knightstown. Put it up on the rack so we can kind of see what we got going on. This car sat for a good long time, probably 20, 30 years. And pulled it out of the barn and put some brake lines on it, wheel cylinders. Get the brakes operable on it. Got it all fired up. We rebuilt the carburetor on it. Had a little bit of mist to it. The floor pans on it are all in pretty good shape. As you can see, the car is pretty solid. It is going to need a frame on it. The bottom frame's rusted on the passenger side, and then it's also rusted on the driver's side as well. Do have a frame to go with it. It's already been sandblasted and powder coated, ready to go. Everything on the front end's there for it, all original. Everything's pretty solid. Runs the 283 with the 2-speed power glide. Everything is there for it. It's going to need a restore, but everything is here for it. These are the kind of cars I like to do because everything is here. You just take, it's called bag and tag. Take it apart and bag it, tag it, and put it back together once completed. I'm not having to go on a treasure hunt trying to find parts. Driver's side of the quarter. Passenger side, she has the skirts, goes with it. There's our hubcaps. Wells. She did have an oil leak, which probably saved some of the floor pans on it, going back and oil coating them. Had drum brakes all the way around on it. Non-power, non-AC car, with a new fuel pump on it, belts on it, just to get it to run. The car does run and drive. Like I say, it does have some oil leaks on it. Valve covers need to be replaced, but everything is original on this car. we go on underneath side of it. So we'll walk back this way here, and we'll get a drop down and look on the inside and the trunk and underneath the engine there. Get it running, rolling down the road. All right, let's drop it down and see what the engine looks like. All right, got our 67 Impala running. Performance checked out here. Everything's all original on this car. It's a 283. I say original, but the alternator's not original. Spark plug wires. Everything else pretty much is. The speedometer says 86 or 88,000 miles on it, which I do believe to be the original title state. It's thin due to the age of it, but I do believe it's hard to 86,000 mile or 80,000 mile original. No way to prove that, but everything else on this car, like I say, you can see this original. It's not been molested. 283, 2-speed power glide, non-AC car. Car fires right up and runs straight, drives straight down the road. Try and get some pictures of the trunk fan. The trunk fan's got a few places in it. It's going to need a little bit of metal work here and there. Frame put underneath of it. What this car is, it is definitely worth doing. Everything is there for it. Got the original bias spare tire. You just don't find them with everything together on the West like this. Okay, well, let's get it outside and take a look at the interior. Got our 1967 Impala here. Got our interior back together on it. We run through and take a look at it real quick. Going to be putting this car up for sale. There's the reason it's going up for sale, is to finish it. Need money from it to roll into one. So anyway, here's our interior on our 67. We had this completely apart. It has all new carpet in it. Floor pans have been stripped down. Port 15 dash has been taken apart and been painted, base cleared. The steering wheel's been all taken apart, polished up. The seats have been taken and reupholstered. The upholstery guy was able to find the original cloth that was used in the car, so it's original pattern, original cloth and material for the car back in 1967. New tray pack in the back. Have a new headliner in it. Also able to put new window sills in. Sun's a little bright. My video is not real good. It has new sills in it. Put new sills in the back windows. Over to the other side here. This car just shines up really nice. It's a super cool car. Everything is there for it. Has the original floor mat even for it. Pop glove box. Has the original brochure for it. The interior is just popping. Turquoise blue, very, very nice. I don't know if the dice are going to go with it or not. Those are add-on. There you go. There's the interior on it. Turned out really, really nice. So we'll get some video of it driving down the road. All right, there's the frame for the 1967 Impala. It needs to be switched over on it. His frame has been port 15 locked in, ready to go. Nice solid frame. 67 Impala.